Long ago, in the warm heart of an African bushveld, a powerful lion ruled the land. His name was Tau. He was strong, proud, and always hungry. He made a rule. Every day one animal must come to me so I can eat. The animals were terrified, but none dared to challenge him. One by one, the animals obeyed. First the kudu, then the wildebeest, then the zebra. Each morning, another animal walked quietly towards the lion's den. Then came the turn of Pukuji, the rabbit. He was not only small, he was clever, quick, and full of ideas. He didn't rush. He walked slowly, thinking carefully with every hop. When he arrived late, the lion growled, "Why are you late?" Pukuchi bowed and said, "Great lion, I was stopped by another lion who says he's stronger than you." The lion roared with rage. "Show me this lion." So the rabbit led the lion to a deep, quiet well in the bush. "He lives in there," whispered the rabbit. The lion leaned over the edge and saw another lion staring back. He growled, and the lion growled back. He roared, and the lion roared back. Very angry, the lion jumped in to fight. There was no lion, only his own reflection in the water. From that day, the animals lived in peace, and Pukuchu the rabbit became the hero of the savannah.